Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through the simple steps to turn on vibration for file transfer notifications on Dropbox. If you want your phone to give a little buzz every time a file finishes uploading or downloading, this guide will make sure you never miss a notification again. First, start by opening your phone's settings. This is where you manage all your apps and their notifications, so it's the place to begin. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section shows all the applications installed on your device, and from here, we can find Dropbox. Next, locate and tap on Dropbox. This will open the app's settings page that allows you to control notifications and other app-specific options. Now tap on Notifications. This area lets you customize how and when Dropbox sends alerts to your phone. Inside Notifications, tap on Notification Categories. Notification categories break down different types of alerts from Dropbox, so you can fine-tune each one separately. Among these categories, find and select File Transfer. This category controls notifications about uploading and downloading files, which is exactly what we want to customize. To turn on vibration, simply toggle the Vibrate option to the On position. This means your phone will vibrate whenever a file transfer notification comes through, and that's it. By following these steps, going through your phone settings, apps, Dropbox, notifications, and finally toggling the Vibrate option on for file transfer, you'll now get a satisfying buzz every time a file moves in Dropbox. This setup ensures you're instantly alerted without having to look at your screen. It's especially handy when your phone is in your pocket, or if you're in a noisy environment where sounds might go unnoticed. If you ever want to adjust it later, just repeat these steps and turn the vibration off. Thanks for tuning in.